Hi, Neil here from Cedarville Car Clinic. Today we're going to show you how to check a cabin air filter on a Mercedes 2008 ML350. The cabin air filter is responsible for filtering air via the HVAC system into the cabin. It filters dust, pollen, pollution and mould to keep your breathing air nice and clean. We're going to show you what this one looks like. In this one, we can see it's really very dirty. This is probably something we would recommend changing. If you need a good mechanic to help you, we'd be happy to help you change your pollen air filter. This is what it should really look like. Thank you. Ta-ra for now.